Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is Science, Animal Classification Part 2. Welcome to my class. I am Teacher Betty. Let's go. Okay, first of all are the fishes. Description. The fish are primarily aquatic vertebrate animals, generally ectothermic and breathing by gills. They are usually covered by scales and are equipped with fins which allow continuous movement. Vocabulary. Clownfish. Clownfish. This is the tuna. Let's go to repeat the pronunciation. Tuna. Tuna. The next fish is salmon. Let's go to pronounce salmon. And we have the catfish. Let's go to pronounce catfish. This is the beautiful fish flounder. Let's go to repeat flounder. Amphibians. Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water or almost environment to survive. The species in this group include frogs, toads, salamander, and newts. All can breathe and absorb water through their very thin skin. Amphibians also have a special skin glass that produces useful proteins. The frog. Chameleon. Chameleon. Salamander. Giant toad. Red-eye frog. Red-eye frog. The reptiles are cold-blooded, which means that they are really head from their surrounding to wear up. They are vertebrate animals with backbones and have dry skin, covered either with scales or horny plates. Reptiles breathe using lungs. Most species of reptiles eat other animals and must lay eggs on land to breed. Reptiles alive today include lizards, snakes, tortoises, turtles, crocodiles, and alligators. We have the snake, the turtle, the caiman, alligator, and finally we have the Komodo dragon. Okay, that is all. Thank you. Bye bye, students. Take care.